everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I got a treat for you today. I have with me the very talented vocal coach with her own extremely successful school community, Lexi Pinnata. Lexi, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Excellent. I know you guys were asking for a voice warm-up from me, but I'm going to do you one better. I'm going to do one with a certified voice teacher. And Lexi's going to lead us through. I can't talk. This is why I need a warm-up. This is a perfect video for me. And I encourage you guys to join in. Watch this every day. This is a good way to start your day for voiceover. Work out those pipes. Make sure that you can sustain your vocal abilities. But if you really want to go deeper, check the links below. We'll talk about it again at the end of the video. There's many ways to work with Lexi, and she's absolutely incredible, you guys. And if there's one thing I can say that helped me in voiceover the most, it's all the training I've done in voice. So if you're looking to increase your bookings, get better at voiceover, you got to work with Lexi. Without further ado, Lexi, let's jump into it. And I'm going to mute so you don't hear my terrible singing voice.
Awesome. No, I'm sure you're amazing, Jesse. I am excited to work with you guys today. So just obviously because I can't hear you, please stop singing if it ever is too high or too low for you. Don't push your limits. Obviously, you want to sing maybe a little bit higher than normal, but don't go too much to the point where it's starting to hurt your voice. Take it easy. This is just supposed to wake up your voice, get you ready for recording your sessions. So let's just start with some nice slides going up. So we're going to do an ooh, wow, wow. Take your time. Wow. Slide through all the micro notes. Wow. Your voice going to head voice or falsetto. Wow. You might get a little more air in there. Wow. Last one. Wow. Let's work our way back down. Let's find a nice hum. So we're going to do 2 hums and then go to ah. Really sing into the ah. If you're a tenor or bass, keep going. Last one. Really nice. Awesome. So we want to make sure that we're always getting that buzz and that resonance going. We're going to continue with an NG sound on sing. Sing. Good. So your jaw is going to be nice and relaxed and your tongue is going to be lifted in the back. Nice. Sing. 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 You'll feel it transitioning. Sing. To your higher register. Sing. 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 Drop out if you need to. Sing. Sing. Last one. Sing. Nice. Let's work our way back down. We always want to cool down our voice even after a long session. So let's do a ya, 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 ya. We're going to be we're just going to be relaxing our jaw and our tongue again on a ya. Ya, 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 ya. Sliding through. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Really relaxed. Ya, 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 ya. 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 Keep going if you can. Last one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. All right, let's work our way back up. Before we continue, let's just do a quick physical warm up. So I want you to just roll your neck all the way around, just in case it's gotten a little bit tight over the course of this warm up. Make sure to loosen it up. And now we're going to massage our jaw all the way from the back, just underneath the jawbone. You're going to feel that muscle. It's probably really tight because we never massage it there. So just make sure to really work through that. And then we're going to use our palms. We're going to take the front of our palms and just start all the way at the back of our jaw. And we're just going to move it down towards our chin. Your jaw holds a lot of tension when it comes to voiceover and also singing as well. So we want to make sure to really massage that out. Nice. All right, let's continue working our way back up. So we're going to do on a Y. This is going to be a really pouty Y, 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 Y. This gets both the depth muscle going and also the nice lifted and bright muscle in our voice working. So we want a nice pout. Y, 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 Y. And you can slide up to the top. Y, 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 Y. A little scoop. Y, 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 Y. Y, 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 Y. This should be light. Y, 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 Y. Everything should be relaxed here. Y, 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 Y. 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 Drop out if you need. Y, 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 Y. Stay relaxed. Y, 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 Y. Y, 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 Y. Last one. Y, 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 Y. Really nice. Let's work our way back down. Our tongue also holds a lot of tension as well. So we're just going to do a hum, but we're just going to have our tongue sticking out here. Nice. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to really use our powerful chest voice. So instead of flipping to our falsetto or our head voice, we're going to be bringing up that speech tone. So we're going to be doing a, hey, that's mine. And it's going to be very matter of fact. I don't want you to sing through it. Just, hey, that's mine. Bring power to it. Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's mine. Almost like a call out. Hey, that's mine. Try to hit the wall in front of you. Hey, that's mine. Or fill the space. Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's that's mine. Your core is going to engage. Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's mine. Last one. Hey, that's mine. Good. Now let's do a nice cool down. We're going to do a yum. Yum, 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 yum. Going back to the hum. Yum, 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 yum. 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 Awesome. Really, really nice work. I hope that your voice is nice and warmed up now.
Yeah, it's super warmed up. I can already feel it. Like the cool thing about warming up is like you feel it like resonating through your whole body, and it just makes it for voiceover, especially when you're speaking. It just makes everything easier and more relaxed. And I really appreciate you coming on and doing this.
Of course.
And for those of you watching, this is super, super, super important. You need to be warming up your voice, and you need to be training your voice. You're just leaving money on the table if you're not, especially if you want to end up in animation and cartoons. You want to be in a Disney film, you got to learn how to sing too. I personally don't know how to sing, but I'm not trying to be in a Disney movie. But I know a lot of you that follow me are trying to get into cartoons and singing and all that. So, Lexi, where can everybody find you? What's the best place? I'm going to put the link to contact her below for her school community and for her one-on-one training if you really want to go deep and accelerate your progression with your voice.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I have an awesome school community with students from all over the world. I also work remotely, one-on-one with students on Zoom, where we really get into the nitty-gritty, and also, most importantly, strengthening your vocal muscles. Your voice is a muscle, and you are your instrument, especially when it comes to voiceover. So it's really, really important if you want to have a sustainable career in voiceover to keep exercising those muscles consistently. And the best way to do it is to really get specific training for your voice. Like, these videos are awesome just to get your feet wet with this, but if you really want specific feedback, I highly recommend either joining my community or working with me one-on-one.
That's amazing. And what's the name of your community?
My community is called the Voice Gym because you're exercising your muscles.
Of course. That's great. Awesome. Well, Lexi, thanks again so much for being here. And for those of you at home, I'll put the links to contact Lexi below. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Awesome. See ya.
Thanks, everybody. Bye.